ये बताओ यार, तुम न्यूज़ देख रहे हो कि नहीं? न्यूज़ में देख रहे हो ये वर्क वीक का क्या चल रहा है आजकल? हाँ, तो मूर्ति वही बोल रहे हैं। सॉरी व्यूअर्स, आई सेड मूर्ति सर, नारायण मूर्ति सर
Okay.
जी हैज बीन एडवोकेटिंग 70 आवर्स वर्क वीक।
Yeah,
व्हाई आर दिस कंपनीज डूइंग दिस?
I agree
इंडिया में
though.
लोग काम नहीं कर रहे क्या?
I
क्या
agree.
बोल रहे हो? इंडिया में लोग काम नहीं कर रहे क्या सही से?
हाँ,
बैठे है क्या बस?
and here's the thing, no, like is that we as Indians,
Yeah.
like we are the, I think, only, I don't want to say only, but we as Indians are like in a developing nation, and somehow we aspire to be like the people in developed nation. So our economy is not there yet. Like the economy is growing, it's not yet there yet. Our infrastructure is not there yet. Our systems and like the companies even are not at the level that
Nothing is there yet, yeah.
nothing is there yet. We're not even we don't have any global presence in the
Yeah.
sense of companies. Like companies specific, like Google is there. Google can, Google. I read somewhere that Google and Microsoft combined is more than like the GDP of India. Just two companies in the US.
Okay.
Google and Microsoft combined,
Okay.
right? So like you are comparing the lifestyle. Like Indians are looking at maybe the lifestyle of people in the US, maybe the lifestyle of people in UK and stuff,
Yeah.
and they're like, I aspire to be like that. Like what kind of country are you going to build? If you're not working like if you're going to go for like मुझे work life balance चाहिए, what kind of country are you going to build?
It's like monkey see monkey do. I think
Yeah.
Indians are just influenced. वही wrong role models को follow कर रहे होंगे, है ना?
Well, it's again it's about the perspective. No, there's a perspective to this. Isn't like
Like?
the people in the US, like they can they already have a built economy for them. Like infrastructure already built है. India में कितना infrastructure बनना बाकी है? Like India में कितने innovative ideas we have to. I don't know if like the people of India are united in the sense कि we have to do something for India and in India, right?
Yeah.
Like because most people are like मुझे US का job चाहिए, मैं चला जाऊँगा
Yeah.
to a different country, right?
Yeah.
So like there's a huge mindset shift that is required, and I think that personally I'm against like work-life balance. That is what that is my opinion.
Okay.
I'm totally with this guy. No, Narayan Murthy, I'm totally with him regarding this, because
I mean, as an entrepreneur, we don't really have a choice, and we're not even optimizing. The reason we're shooting this podcast again to drive
yeah.
some kind of a result for us. Could be in the form of money, could be in the form of knowing people, anything.
Yeah.
Wait, I mean, with Murthy, right? A lot of like Narayan Murthy ji. Again, sorry Murthy.
Murthy mat bolo. At least say Narayan Murthy, no? So,
With Narayan Murthy,
Okay.
right? Yeah. भाई डर लग रहा है call
नहीं,
करने
नहीं.
का. with Narayan Murthy, right? I mean, a lot of people are questioning कि ये PR कर रहा है. Just to say the news.
That's good though. Like
अच्छा, look at the Indian founders, right? There's that. I don't remember his name. Ola का founder का नाम क्या है? हर्ष अग्रवाल. भावेश अग्रवाल.
Bhavesh Agarwal, हाँ.
Bhavesh Agarwal, right? He also says the same thing. Ki economy, like India, make India whatever. Like India has to be there. India needs to be fighting.
Yeah.
Why is it not happening? Why are Indians not there? Like why like कुछ global companies है क्यों नहीं, या फिर कोई करना क्यों नहीं चाहता, कुछ initiative क्यों नहीं लेता? Like
It's
how many like we went to that event, right? It was a future founders.
yes, yes.
How many founders do you see our age?
a lot. Like if not even our age, it's like I would say around the same age group, because
Yeah.
like says we are influenced by the same.
My question is, I think again I did not frame it rightly.
Yeah.
20-something-year-old founders are very less, I think. In
हाँ,
the event.
yes.
It's mostly like 30, 35, 40s.
Yeah.
Grey hair के बंदे आ रहे हैं. Even bald people are coming. Right?
I don't know why that is the case. Maybe I'm hoping that it's not because they did not get selected. I don't know why it is the case though. Right?
Yeah, वो भी है.
It's interesting. मैं वैसा नहीं सोचा था वहाँ पे.
हाँ. Like 20-something-year-old founders बहुत कम थे. वो एक लड़का था बस, आदित्य.
हाँ.
Most of them are like 35 and building.
Who have already worked in corporates and then अभी खुद का company start कर रहे हैं.
Likely that.
Yeah. It looks like that.
Yeah.